The Baby Lock Destiny comes with so many accessory feet, but did you know that there are 30 additional feet? They are designed to take your sewing to the next level. You have limitless possibilities with the Baby Lock Destiny, and you can purchase all 30 of those feet at one time in the 30-foot kits. When I open this up, you'll see that there are removable pages. Just take these right out. And inside of the kit, you have 30 additional feet for your Baby Lock Destiny. Some of my favorites are the accessories and the extra soles for the digital dual feet. Like right here, we have the open toe sole for the digital dual feet. It has snap-on feet just like the standard ankle for the Destiny does. And then you've got your stitch in the ditch foot. There's a really great 1/4-inch foot. You've got the Teflon foots, the leather roller foot. So a lot of really fun feet that you can kind of experiment with and play with come right in the 30-foot kit for the Baby Lock Destiny. I love that they're all zipped into compartments, which are labeled with pictures so you know what every single foot is. And then to learn how to use each of those feet, you also get this little booklet. And inside of this booklet, you will find that there are instructions and pictures about how to use each of the 30 feet. So you can really experiment and explore and learn so much more about the capabilities of the fantastic Baby Lock Destiny with these extra feet. Now with the kit, again, the pages come out, so if you want to just travel with the feet, you can do that. But the carrying case itself is very nice because it's got a couple of extra pockets. Inside this pocket here comes the shoulder strap, so you can attach a shoulder strap to it. Several different pockets. It's got some extra depth to it too. So if you're taking this to class with your Destiny, you can fit some of your standard sewing notions that you travel with, maybe a little rotary cutter and a ruler. Here we go. Sometimes I have threads and fabrics in mine. It's got a really nice set of handles, but again, you can also use the shoulder strap. It's really sturdy canvas construction, and on the back, there's another zipper pocket and a little sleeve, so you can easily slide this right over the handle of your Destiny trolley bag, so you can easily carry everything together on your way to your owner's lessons or your creative classes with your Baby Lock Destiny. You'll find the Baby Lock 30-foot kit at your local authorized independent Baby Lock retailer.